It's so cool being so feminine and so you lovely ladies out there like these jokes coming up. What do most men consider a gourmet restaurant? That's right. Any place without a drive-through window. Oh yeah. Now, Miss Culpepper was almost in tears. She goes to her maid, "Oh Mary, I have reason to suspect that my husband is having an affair with his secretary." And she said, "I don't believe you for 1 minute." She snapped, "You're just saying that to make me jealous." Oh, I don't know what's up with that husband of yours, but maybe he might be seeing some kind of mouse or monkey or something like me. But telling these jokes is number one. So here goes another one. Why did the vampire baby stop having baby food? He wanted something to get into his teeth into. Huh? He wanted something to get into his teeth into. A vampire baby. I'm just babbling on, okay? Seeing these jokes is so cool. Now, why do birds fly south for the winter? Because it's too far to walk. Oh, yes. What goes up when you count down? The rocket ship. That's right. If you figured that one out, you're kinda smart, I think. Now, if you found a $5 bill in every pocket of your coat, what would you have? That's right. Someone else's coat.